John and I are at the Ocean View Cafe for breakfast on the Celebrity Ascent. Hello everybody, Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers, and I am here with John. Hello John.
Hello, Joyce.
John and I are on the Celebrity Ascent pre-inaugural cruise, and we are going to take you on a walk through the breakfast buffet. Just inside here on our left is Il Secondo Bacio, Second Cafe Al Bacio. And across from the El Segundo Bacio seating area, this is the display-only bread section. Making lots of yummies. Good morning. And these are the breads. There's certainly enough selection. We have white bread, English muffins, whole wheat bread, onion bagel, morning bread, toasted baguettes, sourdough loaf, mini baguettes, whole wheat loaf, 3-seed rolls, pumpernickel loaf, and sourdough roll, whole wheat loaf, and sourdough loaf.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Butter, peanut butter, strawberry jam, orange marmalade, and French baguette. That's a lot, and that's just the bread. Help yourself to a plate and your utensils wrapped up in a napkin. And we have Danish over here. Chocolate chip brioche, oat bran muffins, banana nut muffins, raspberry Danish, pistachio cherry Danish, chocolate croissant, plain croissant. Oh my goodness, chocolate babka, pistachio babka, and raspberry and chocolate babka. Wow. Okay, I'm not going to take you through every single item, but this is white rice, congee, fried rice, and chicken congee. And this is your poached egg station. Get your classic poached egg or Mexican poached egg. Now that looks delicious. That looks great. We have the American station. Cereals. This is your self coffee station. Your daily features. Salad bar. Oh, fresh fruits, yogurt, muesli. More American, eggs, bacon, hash browns, roasted vegetables. Oh, roasted ham for breakfast, yum. Or fresh fruit. Eggs, black pudding. Scrambled eggs, English bacon, baked beans. So this must be the British section. Fried bread, never heard of that. Grilled corn, sausage and biscuits. And over here they have eggs your way. You can order omelets, eggs over medium, sausage, bacon, hash browns. They have some sunny side up eggs already done for you. They have all the toppings or ingredients for your omelet that you can order. Baked apples. John would like that. Caramelized bananas, waffles, pancakes, French toast. And here's a full look at the buffet stations. And all along the outside to your right as you're walking around are your seating sections. There's lots and lots of places to sit. Lots of options for sitting. And they have an outdoor eating area. If you'd like to take your breakfast, lunch, or dinner out here. This, among many, is a beautiful spot on the ship. and it's a great place to start your day. As you can see, it is quite empty, and it is about 7:30 in the morning. Of course, it is a sea day, so most people have a tendency to sleep in on sea days versus port days. Over here you have a sink where you can wash your hands, and that staircase up over there goes to the sunset bar and decks 15 and 16. And back down the other side of the Ocean View Cafe. And that does it. That brings us full circle for the Ocean View Cafe breakfast. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support, and as always, we hope you have a wonderful day.